What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Bootstrap. My name is QD Yazani, and you guys watching my channel Kroywood. All right, so we have come a long way. We have completed our three column here, our product for e-commerce. All right, so the next step is, as I promised in the last video, that we're gonna create a footer. But before continue with footer, I just wanted to show you guys how we're gonna create the. Say there is a page number here. If you guys been to YouTube or any other websites, if you guys see here, there says previous. Then there is a page number, and it says. It just suggests which page number you guys are on, and there is a faint here. It's a previous, and then there is a next one. There is 1, 2, 3 here. So before we created the footer, I just wanted to show you guys, and we're gonna leave the area of the footer here. We just leave a footer, so we know that we're gonna create footer here. But before that, just right here underneath, we're going to create that the end of the page, and we're going to create the page number because I just want to move towards the product. Then I want to move toward the shop, login, register, and I just want to complete this one's call us pages and history, because I just want to show you guys the different methods of how to create the e-commerce website. Or so if we say if we click on this, and if you guys see here, we go to the single product page, which we need to complete this one as well. So what we do is that we go back, because we're still in the main page. So what I was thinking to show you guys how there is a slider between the products. So there's 3 products coming, and the 3 products moving backward and forward. But I just wanted to show you guys, because you guys learning, and this is a beginner, some of you are beginners, so I just want to show you guys how to create the main stuff first. So the main different tricks and different buttons, things like that. So I just want to familiarize with you guys. So what I'll do, I'll promise, and I'm gonna come back to these things again. So if you guys having trouble remembering all this code, I'm gonna come back to this codes again. So I'm gonna I'm gonna show you guys again and again and again and again till you guys memorize. Don't try to memorize, because what I'll do is I'll repeat this again and again and again, because we have so many pages still to go to create, and you guys gonna be mastered in no time. So because this code is gonna go at the back of your mind. You guys do not think when you guys writing this Bootstrap code, it's just like you guys writing the English words ABC, or sometime you guys writing the very simple words, and you guys do not think. All right, so here we're gonna create our nav. All right, so inside the nav, we put a class, and our class is gonna be, we're gonna put it page navigation. So we're gonna put a page navigation, because we're gonna navigating towards the pages. And after that, we're gonna put an order list, and inside an order list, everything happens inside an order list. And we have a class, and our class is going to be pagination. And because the pagination comes in right here, sometime you guys see on the left, but sometime you guys see on the right, and sometime you guys see in the center. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to put it here, and how we're going to put it here, and how we put it in the center. So that's pagination. And inside here we put a li, 2 li. So this li, the first one is going to be the previous, and this li is going to be on the next. So this li, we put a previous, and this li is going to be next. Alright, so what you guys see here is previous and next right next to each other, and that's sitting on the left. Alright, so we have previous and next, and what we do is the first li, we put a class, and we put our class page item. So we put a page item just like a list. We put a page item, and the bottom ones as well. We put a class page item. Alright, so the first two is done. You guys can move this on the top. It's up to you guys. So it's too close. You guys can put in one line this li, or you guys can put in a different line. It's up to you. So page item and page item, and if you go back and you guys see that the color has changed, and there it says previous and nex, which is T is missing. So what we do is that we're going to create in between few LIs, and the first LI is going to be page number 1, the second LI is going to be page 2, the third LI is going to be page 3, and you guys can create as many pages as you want. You guys want to create 5 pages or 4 pages. So li number 5. Alright, so as you guys can see, it says previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, slowly you can see our page numbers. Alright guys, looks like we made a mistake here. It should be page item, not nav item. So I don't know why it came in. So because this is all page items. Alright, so we come here at LIs, we put a class page item, and the second one we coming and do that again, page item, same as third one, class page item, same goes to fourth one, page item, same goes to the fifth one, page item. Okay, so now our class is all the page items done, but we forgot one more things, because when we come here and we see here our page is sitting here, because we need to put an anchor text. Alright, so the next step is that we're going to remove this and we put our anchor text here. Okay, so inside the anchor text we put it hash like that, and we put a class page link, and after that we put a tab index, and we put it -1, and area disabled, area is equal to true, and we come back to our previous one, previous. Alright, so if you guys want a page item, because we have been to the previous page and we want to go to the next page item, you guys can put it disabled. Alright, so what we do is we coming towards this one, and we're going to create again href is, and we put a class page link, and we put a next. Alright, so you guys need to put a anchor text in all of these ones. Okay, so the href is none, and the class is page link, because it's linking the pages. So you guys, alright, so you guys create this, number 1, class page link, and it's number 2. Okay, so we go again, and we put a class page link. I hope you guys remember by now. So we put another anchor text here, and we put a class page link. We put number 4, and the last one we come here, we put anchor text, and we put a class page link, and we put a number 5. We check, and remember guys, I put a disabled here. It means I just want to look at this as a feint. There you go guys, we have created our page numbers, and when the user comes in, looks at this, and the user knows straight away what page number the users. So if you guys look at here, it sits in the center, but if you guys want to put it in the middle, so where it says pagination, you guys can put a justified content center, as I have shown you guys. Justify content between, and we put a center. And when you guys put a justify content center, it comes in the center, and if you guys look, it's in the center. So this is how we put it in the center. That's justify center. But what about if you guys want to put it on this side? So we have seen on here, and now we've done it on the center. So what happens that if you guys got a project, and your project's got few products here, and if you guys want to put it here, and if you guys here justify content center, just you guys go there and put it end. So justify content end instead of justify content center, and if you see your page numbers move towards right, and look at here, there is a mistake here, typo here is 4, that's supposed to be 5. So I'll fix the mistake here. And just remember guys, if you want to put towards the end, you just put an end. And in my case, I don't like it, I want to put it in the center, so I'm going to put it center. So justify content center, it brings your page towards the center. Alright, so we have done our pagination is here. So what you guys can do the sizing as well, just where pagination is, you just guys add pagination SM or LG. So where the pagination says pagination justify content center, and put a pagination SM, just in case if you guys working in a project where you want see very tiny ones, so you guys can just add LG here, so it becomes a big, because you guys never know where you guys work with the page numbers, and sometimes you guys go on a project which requires disabled assistance, and you guys needs to put it on very big, so easier for people to read, or you guys can put a SM for a small one. And if you check here, your pagination is small. Alright, so far we have learned that how we create our pagination. So with the help of pagination, and we put a ULLI, and we have done it from the left, center, and we've done it here. So what I'll do is that I'll make it normal. I'll remove this. It's your choice. You guys wanna see your pagination small or large. So what happens if you guys, instead of this next or previous, you guys want to see something else here, like less than or greater than. Alright, so in order to create your instead of this previous and next, where there is angle on the left angle, and you guys see some of the websites got a double left angle and double right angle. So what you guys do here, you guys come here in the previous one and just put a span, and inside the span you guys put a percentage sign, because we are encoding LA left angled QUO quote, because this is stands for left angle quote. Is something like this. And if you guys come here, say if you want to create is something like I'm going to explain to you guys, it's like moving towards the left. You guys can do that as well. And if you come here and you guys see it's facing that way, like that, and you guys can change as well. So we come here and we move that to previous. So what happens here is that and if you put an and, because we're encoding, HTML encodes LANQUO, left angle quote, and that's because some web designers, they use it inside the websites, and we put an area hidden area. So what I'll do is that area hidden, because we want to hide the area, and we put it true. So we'll bring this one down, page link, tab index, area disabled is equal to, we're gonna remove this one. So if we remove that one, okay, so we need to remove this, and we put a label, area label is equal to, we put a previous. Alright, now so now we're gonna check, and we forgot that, we put it here, and it comes here, so we say why is coming there. Okay, so the reason that one coming is because we did not put a, so we have to wrap it with a. And if you guys look at here, there is two angles coming and it's facing that way. So what we do is that we apply the same to the right. So if you guys come here, we put a area labeled, area label is equal to next, and inside this a we put a span, and we put a class, we put a span class, we put a area hidden is equal to true. We put a end, and instead of L we put a right. So because we here, if we put a AL is a left angle quote, and we put a right angle quote, so R A right angle QUO quote. And don't forget this end of line here, semicolons, there is a semicolon here, and if you try that, you guys look, that's our page. I leave it up to you guys, whichever guys you guys like. You guys like this one, you guys can put this one. So what I'll do is that if we come in here, content center, pagination LG, pagination LG, because you guys going to see the bigger picture, and you guys can see that properly. So you guys, there is it's a left angle quote LANQUO, and there is a right angle quotes that's RAQUO. So that's the left angle quote, and that's right angle quote. Alright, so the last one I'm going to show you guys is how we're going to say if you're at the third page or the second page. So just choose any page you guys like. Say we're going to choose the third page, that at the moment we are on the third page. So what you guys do here, come here and find the third page, isolate the third page, which I'm going to work on, and here page item, you guys put an active. When you put an active, it means it goes back to the active, and you put area current, and inside the area current you guys put a page. That's it. So if you guys say now we're telling the user that user is now here at the number 3, or you guys can put a number 5, or you guys can put a number 2, or you guys can put a number 1. It's up to you guys, whichever guy you put a, but you guys can put this active on only one page, so you guys can't put it in every page, because we are letting the user know that the user is in such and such page. You guys can put any page you like, so you guys can put a page number 5 or page number 4 or this one and that one. So in here, if you guys want to remove this, you guys just go to here and you guys remove this and remove this span and just go and put a previous here. So it's up to you guys. It stands for left angle quote, and this one stands for right angle quote. So as you guys can see, this is the direction. It's a back page or it's the next page. So you guys, when you guys click this in a proper website, you go to the next page, or when you guys click this, you go to the previous page. But it's up to you guys, whichever you guys like. And easy to remember is left angle, and this is a right angle quote. LANQO left angle quote, and RANQO, that's right angle, and there is a parenthesis at the back to let the browser know that this is finishing, and they put it at the front here. So if you guys go here and look at the page, so we're coming down all the way here. And you guys can actually see this right angle quote and left angle quote here as well. You guys can see everything. You guys can see. I'm going to show you guys shortly how we're going to create the copyright here. So copyright such as here, because this is called how we encode it. That's called ASCII characters inside the table. So there is ASCII table, and the HTML encodes this. There's a few signs which is inside the ASCII table, and that's how we're gonna create such in like a copyright this year and that year, like that. Like few languages, there are a few mathematical signs which we can encode like this. But you guys need to put an end here and parentheses at the back. So these two must, because HTML reads this as this sign here. So that's how we do encode. Alright guys, I think that's it for pagination. Pagination is very simple. There is nothing special in this one. So all you guys need to do is just I'll repeat again. You guys created your nav, because it's like a navigation on top. It's in one line. So what I'll do is I'll bring this closer so you guys can see. Okay. So you guys create nav, and you guys just put some class here, page navigation, where you guys can put a page classification, page number, whatever. And there is a UL. The magic is this UL and LIs. As you guys see, this is a list, an order list. And an order list is sometimes you guys can put it up and down, and sometimes put it in one row. So this is UL, LI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's how LI is. And we created that the first one and the last one, which is this one and this one. Okay, so initially we put a previous and we put a next, and then we put all these page numbers in between. And after that we have removed this. We have done this all, and if you guys want to put this active, which is page number 3, you guys just put active in the front. Otherwise, if you guys can put on any page number 1, 2, 3, whatever, so you guys can put an area current as page. And if you guys, the most important things I have introduced you guys here is and left angle quote and right angle quote. There is L and R here at the front, you guys start with the end and end it with the parentheses, and that's how it's going to look, because it's gonna HTML is going to encode this one from ASCII character table. Alright, so that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to start the 3-layer. There's going to be a footer here, so you guys can put a comment here. Is like I said before, is pagination started. That's the best practice, is that you guys always put your comment here, and you guys put it exclamation mark here with 2 dashes, pagination, end it, or finished. You guys, whatever you guys like. And if we put it now, after this one, that our footer is going to start. So what I'll do is that I'll move this one upward to make room. Okay, so here I'm going to put a div class footer, because in the next video I'm going to start this footer. So what we do is we come in here, because footer is very, very important. We put an exclamation mark, we put a footer started, and we put an exclamation mark again. We put our open our tag, this one, and we put a footer ended. Our footer stopped, whatever. Now our code looks clean. It's readable. Anyone comes here and see this one, sees that the pagination starts here and the pagination starts here. Alright, so one thing, if you guys learning this Bootstrap, how HTML knows if you have what page, because sometime in the website you see that's dynamic. If you're on page 1, it moves around, because at the moment it's not moving. Even if you guys click, it's not moving, it's not doing anything, it's not moving an end page. And I let you guys know that this is it moves because with the help of PHP. So if you guys know the PHP, you guys can put this dynamic. So at the moment, because we are working on Bootstrap, not PHP, so I'll show you guys how the skeleton, the framework of this, how it's displayed, not how it's functions. Like when you guys will go on development mode in PHP, then I'm going to show you guys how we're going to create this, so this thing moves. Even if you guys come here and you guys see that the pictures at the back end, whatever pictures you guys go put it with the help of PHP, these things, these photos moves backward and forward. So, but that's fine. I leave it for the next videos, and I'm going to show you guys step by step. You guys going to be master in Bootstrap, and then I'm going to show you guys, showing you guys PHP, and you guys going to learn how we're going to handle this pagination with the help of PHP. Alright, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.